Go.
They burn underwater.
That one cuts close to the other one. I like being down here.
Yes.
Probably not. Stop, Emma. It's raining on me.
Oh, this is a short fuse.
Where did it go?
Here.
It's dead.
You ready?
When that car's driving by, yeah.
Ooh.
That was a loud one.
It hit me.
Oh, it's like singed.
It singed it.
Then I gotta get a close up on it. That popped my eardrums.
Here.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. It's raining on me again. Hey, Daddy, look, it came all the way over here. The little thing.
Ready?
Yeah. I would plug my ears, but I can't.
Nothing happened.
Did it kill the ants?
Oh, they're going crazy.
Aww.
Oh, man, nothing.
Ant, right there.
It's crawling away. That was like
Here's another one.
a world disaster for them.
We amputated that ant's butt. Okay.
This one.
I'm gonna plug your ears for this one.
Whoa, that was a good one.
Yeah, I think it splashed. Yeah, it got all over my iPod.
Okay.
Where'd the cup go?
Can you hit your car?
Probably.
Okay. So tiny. Oh, is it gonna hit me? No.
Oh, not as loud as they showed on the video.
There's just a little flame.
Purple barrel. It isn't as loud as they showed on the video.
No. It's so tiny. It's just like a huge flame. Or a small flame. It's on fire. Wait, I want.
Hurry up.
It's on fire. Where is it?
Oh boy.
Was
what
that
an
was so
adventure.
short.
Oh boy.
Okay, big
exciting.
one. What?
Go get another large one.
Emma, go get another big one. It just died. Wow.
One is done.
I like the big ones better.
Me too.
The big ones are better.
They
Yeah.
do the same thing.
Is it still
but
on
the big
fire?
one is bigger. And